Hi everybody! Are you a remote work enthusiast? If yes, then you're probably looking for a job that allows you to work anywhere you want. Remote work is perfect for people who love to spend their free time with family and friends. No need to spend hours getting to the office, and you'll have more time for hobbies. What jobs can you do from home? IT jobs, of course. Let's not forget to mention that the IT field is well respected and stable. We made a small lecture to help you how to get an IT job. We'll discuss the data analyst profession and use it as an example. If you still haven't subscribed, do it ASAP to get more info about your future job. How to start? Imagine you're choosing a new car. What will you do first? Research, of course. It's the same when you're learning about the future career. For example, you can watch our previous video about data analysts to get a quick understanding of the profession. There are several peculiarities you should know before starting on your own. Where to begin? Time. Online education doesn't require you to study at a specific time, but you need at least 1 hour to learn your future career. This means you can watch lectures at a convenient time. Just remember to focus on your future. Today's difficulties become tomorrow's success. Be prepared to spend 7 to 10 hours a week on your studies. It's not much as you think. Make it a habit to learn every day. Schedule the topics you need to study and stick to it. You can always attempt to learn everything on your own, but to be honest, it will be a bit hard. That's why we recommend you find the right course. Formerly, you had to spend years in high school, but no need to spend so much time to get a cool job anymore. Now, you need only 8 months to become a sought-after professional. Best tips for newbies in IT. The first steps are the hardest because it's like taking a leap in the dark. We prepared some tips for you to make it easier. Be productive and organized. Organize your work desk and your life. Schedule everything you can schedule. Create a suitable workspace to make studying effective. Find a guru or expert. He or she will have to explain info without any complex terms. Just imagine yourself as a newbie in martial arts. Everyone needs a master to reach the pinnacle of excellence. Every Kung Fu Panda needs its own master Shifu. Moreover, you can study without proficient mentors. They give feedback and help improve your learning experience. Skilled folks are always there to tell you if you're wrong and give you a hand if you need it. Set a goal to achieve. Use the SMART method, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. It is perfect for small and big goals. Are you taking notes? There is one thing you must do in order to be successful, and it's not easy if you're studying on your own. Work on real tasks from businesses. Why the data analyst profession? Why do we teach the data analyst profession? Because it is in demand in the labor market and it's the easiest way to become a part of the IT industry. We researched open data analyst vacancies on LinkedIn and found out that there are more than 7,000 opportunities waiting in Australia. But the US is the most interesting place. They managed to open more than 375,000 vacancies. There is no need to worry about your age and gender, only your skills and expertise. Don't forget that COVID-19 changed the world forever and most companies have managed to appreciate the advantages of remote work. Let's also not forget that data analysts get good salaries and can work for international companies. Data analyst is a stable and promising profession with great growth opportunities. You don't need any special experience. Just be hardworking and ambitious. But where's the best place to become a data analyst? Folks, I think you've found the right video to watch. Students choose Refocus and we know why. We have the best data analyst masters and the coolest mentors you'd be happy to work with. That's not the only reason to join us. As we mentioned before, one of the most important things is practice. Taking our course is associated with total immersion in real cases to prepare you for actual tasks. Our mentors are always ready to help you with explanations. Our community managers will assist you in case of emotional stress related to studying. You must remember that we are always ready to support you. Everything you do while studying becomes a part of your portfolio. I think this is the biggest difference between self-education and Refocus online courses. All the classes will be permanently accessible to you in case you need to recall something. Multipass? No, but you'll get a certificate of graduation. It's real and can help you impress a recruiter. Our certificate is valuable for employees. Remember that compassion is part of our course. We'll look after you while you study and assist you with a job search. And if you don't find a job in 6 months, we will give you a refund. Write in the comment section your ideal remote work day, or let us know what topic you'd like us to make a video about next. I'll be happy to help you, friends. Thank you for watching. You're gorgeous. If you have any questions about online education, just send them over. We'll answer them in the next videos. And click the link in the description below to learn more about our course. See you later! Bye!